Thapa. I am from Nepal. Recently, I joined TEL class and I have taken 53 hours class in TELS, and I feel very confident and comfortable with speaking and in front of the peoples.
Mhm. How did you come to know about us?
Yeah, I come to know with the tale of, from the Facebook.
Mhm. So, after attending your online classes, what do you feel about them?
After online classes, before I have joined the TL, I have some education to speak, how to use the tense. But now I feel more confident in my language and I can speak anyone without hesitation.
Okay. So, what do you have to say about the teachers at TEL?
About the teachers of TL, they are very competent. They are very friendly behavior, and if we have some sort of things, they are very friendly, and they can help us 24 hours if we need the help.
Mhm.
Sometimes we connect with them with the Facebook ID. If we have got a problems, how to tell the some things or how to write correctly the sentence, we like to refine the sentence. They can help
Mhm. And what about the
remotely.
course? Did you enjoy the course?
Yeah, I feel the course is in that is not properly on the like the school types, but it is in very different topics, and it's like entertaining and playing games like conversation in different matter.
Mhm.
We have 1 hour class in the morning every day, but we feel like 5 minutes. It is time is gone already. And okay, see you, see you, bye bye. Then we realize that how fast the time is spent. Now, sometimes we feel we don't get a chance to speak a lot. We like to speak more and more
Okay,
in class.
but but we keep only 6 learners in a batch, and we never keep more than 6 learners. So, do you think that's helpful?
It is very helpful. There is a breakout room, and sometimes we go in the breakout room and conversation separately and coming with our thinking, our creativity, and
Mhm.
what is friends thinking about that. That helps a lot to us because we also remember those. That is also helpful. Yeah.
Okay.